You again?
Hi!
Hi.
Hi! Hi!
I'm not prepared.
Hi, Ting! You're so emo, ha?
Eh, syempre.
Hi!
I'm alone.
Huh?
He doesn't love me.
Drama queen?
My
Alam niyo,
gosh.
nandun sa cellphone ni Kwan, Ajuda, I wish your
I wish your...
I wish your...
I wish.
Ano yan?
I wish.
Meron yung...
I wish
Namiss
your...
siya ka na naman.
alive. Parang ganun. Basta parang ganun, I wish you're
Oh
not
my
telling a
God.
lie.
I wish you're not telling a lie. I wish they'll last forever. Nothing lasts forever nga.
Hi! Hi!
Hi. Smile. Smile.
Smile,
We're about to... I'm about to go home.
Di pa!
No, I won't join
Like
you.
for
Hindi talaga ako pupunta ng group.
Yay! Tita! Kasi you have a nice skirt. Look at it.
Remove whatever that is.
It's dirty. It has
Particles.
white particles. White particles.
Yeah, whatever.
Particles.
Her skirt had white particles. White particles. White particles.
White particles.
Mama, your red particles.
Red. Stop saying particles.
So,
What now? Anong gagawin nila?
hey! Uy! May salis tumutunog. I think
Hmm?
you finish your red particles.
Yes.
Red particles.
Hindi naman yung particles.
I can't get it.
I didn't do it.
I said, oh nga, wrong.
Hindi, stop talking.
For
Stop
short
talking.
menstruation. Mas maganda, regla.
Bastos!
Menstruation.
Magbabay na tayo.
Magbabay.
Bye!